How to create Gmail account. Everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Google account or your Google application. After that, tap on your top right corner. Now, drag down this account action and then go to add another account. After that, just verify your identity using your password or your fingerprint. Now, simply tap on create account. Select if it is for your personal use or your work or your business. I am selecting personal account. Enter your first name. Entering second name is optional. Then go to next. After that, enter your basic information, that is birthday and your gender. Then tap next. After that, select a username that you want. Tap next. If the username is taken, simply get or select the available username, or you can also make your custom username like this. Tap next and then enter a password. Create a strong password. After that, tap on next. Now, tap on next again. Simply agree to their terms and policies and done. Your Google account is created. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.